So dear student, as you all know, in our previous classes, we have studied about how to measure a line segment and how to draw a line segment by using the given measurement. Now, with the help of that, we will be performing today an activity. On that, we are going to measure the objects which are nearby us. For example, compass box, that is geometry box. You can have a copy, you can have the things which have the edges. Edges means which have the line segment at the edges. So what you have to do? You have to collect 3 objects which are nearby you, and you have to measure those objects with the help of ruler or scale. So for this, I am having the student of class 6C, Ojal, who will be showing us how to measure a line segment with the help of her ruler. Okay, Ojal, can you please continue?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, everybody. I am Ojal of class 6C and I am here to explain you how to measure a line segment. So here I have a mobile phone, and for every time for measuring a line segment, first we will take this point, the end of this point, and we will put the zero here, and then the last point at the last time. So I have measured, and it is 15 centimeter.
Okay, thank you, Ojal, for it. Now, I will add on to Ojal what she said. There can be 2 processes. First process, that as Ojal was showing to us, you can directly take your scale and you can directly put on that object and you can measure it. The second thing is, you can do one thing, you can have a copy normally, and on that copy you place that object. ठीक है? और उस object को place करके you take a pencil and draw that object on that. Okay, draw, that means draw a line of that edge. For example, like I'm showing you on the board, then you can understand it very properly, and then we will be discussing more about it. Just give me a moment now. Yes, look at here. So now suppose I have a wallet. Okay, my wallet is like this. Okay, so now I have taken this wallet. Suppose this wallet is on my hand right now. Okay, it is not anywhere else, it is on my hand right now, and I have to measure how much the length of this wallet. What I will do, I will keep this wallet on my fair copy, on any of the copy. I will take the help of pencil and I will place this and I will measure a line segment by taking this. Okay, and then I will put a point on both the ends, and then I will remove my wallet from there. Okay, then उसके बाद क्या करूंगी मैं, अपना ये wallet यहाँ से हटा लूंगी. Then I have removed my wallet. Now what I will do, after doing this, I will give a name A, I will give a name B to the endpoints. Okay, after giving the names to the endpoints, now I will take the scale. Okay, I will take a scale. Now how will I take a scale, beta? I will take a scale in such a way that on my first end point there should be 0. ठीक है, आपकी स्केल का जो 0 है बेटा वो A पॉइंट के एकदम बिगनिंग में होना चाहिए. And then you have to put your scale in such a way, you have to see till which point your last, till which measurement your last point goes. Okay, suppose it goes till 5.5 or 6.5 or 7.8 or 9.3 or 11.3, you have to use your scale for it, and after that you will write it down what is the measurement of it. Suppose the last value is coming till 7.8, that means your wallet is of 7.8 centimeter length. That's all. Yes, suppose you have, I have already told you 2 methods of doing measuring anything. Now, suppose you have a copy and your copy is having the greater length than your scale. That time what will you do? Take your scale, put it on here on the first end, सपोज यहाँ तक आपकी स्केल आ रही है बेटा, है ना, सपोज योर स्केल इज कमिंग टिल हियर, 15 is ended now. So what you do, just put a mark here. Put a mark here till where this 15 is coming. Suppose here is this. I have marked this. This is my 15 now. After this, I will put my scale again here. फिर से मैं अपनी स्केल यहाँ पे शुरू करूंगी and I will place 0 here only. And after that, I will see how much this is the distance. Suppose this is 4. Suppose this is 4. This was 15. So 15 is this. 4 is this. Means 15 plus 4. Your copy is of having the length 19 centimeter. Fine. So remember, with the help of a small scale, you can also measure the greater length as well. Please continue. Now here we have Tejas, and he will explain you the process of measuring the length of charger. Please.
So first we have to use the scale. If we are using scale, we have to see the point 0. We have to place the point on the first where the line has been stopped. And here we will place, and now we will measure it. So it is 6.1.
6.1. Can you do it, Tejas, with the help of second method also? Can we do it with the help of second method also?
Yes.
You tell me, how will you do that? You just tell me the process only. Don't show me. You just tell me the process. How will you do that?
Ma'am, we have to take this charger and place this charger on a rough copy. Now we will help of pencil, we will draw the a line, and then we will measure it from the scale.
Correct. Absolutely right, Tejas. Tejas is also telling absolutely correct. He is telling he will place the charger on his copy. He will mark the line, which is the edge of the charger. And after that, with the help of ruler, he will start measuring that. Okay. And after that measurement, he will see that how much the length of that object is. Okay. Thank you, Tejas, for telling me. So next we have Aditya Singh, who will explain that how can we measure objects with the help of ruler. Aditya, which object you are showing? Can you please tell me? Crayon color box. Okay. He is going to measure the box of crayon color. Fine. Please continue, beta.
We know that there are two methods to measure the length of the line segment. We are doing the first. So if we take the crayons and put the 0 on the first one, and we'll see the length. It is
Show to us. Show to us also, beta. Show to us also. How will we do that? Huh? Show it and be little louder. Be little louder. Ha, right.
We'll put the first marker on 0 and
Yes.
the last where the length is.
Correct.
Now we are going to do second method. We'll see that first you will draw the line with the help of pencil. I've drawn the line. Now I will measure it.
Keep your copy nearby you so that we can also see that. थोड़ा सा और पीछे करो. हाँ, correct. Now measure it.
It is also of 10 centimeters.
Okay, fine. So next we have Samriddhi. She will be also doing us the presentation of how she have observed the measurement of what object you have taken, beta, Samriddhi?
Ma'am, a Sensodyne cover I have taken.
Okay, she has taken the cover of a Pepsodent, Sensodyne, sorry. This is a toothpaste cover. So now she is going to show us how to measure it. Okay, please, beta, continue.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first of all, we'll take the object and a scale. So, ma'am, from here I will start measuring my object. Yes, ma'am. From here I'll start measuring my object. So from 0 we have to place the over here. So it is over here 0, and now we'll do it over here. It is 0, and it is my object is bigger than my scale. So I'll mark a point over here that it is a 15 centimeter. over here. Again, I will take my scale and again I will point at 0 over that where I have made the line. And again I'll do, so it will be coming over here. So now for the first method, my measurement is coming 16.6 centimeter. And the second method, if I do with a copy, so first of all I'll place my object over here. I'll make a line. So I've made a line. Now I can give a name it like A and B it is. And now I'm going to measure this. So from 0 we'll place over here. So again it will come over here 15. And I will again place my scale over here. So the answer will come 16.6 centimeters. Thank you.
So next we have Anurag Verma. He will be also showing us that how to measure an object which is having the edge in the form of a line segment. So Anurag, which object you are going to show us?
Ma'am, my copy.
Okay, so Anurag is helping us in the measurement of a copy. So let us see how Anurag shows us.
Okay, I have a 30 centimeter scale, and so if I will place my scale over here at the 0 end at the edge of the copy, then I will see that till where the length of the object is going, which is ending at 24 centimeter. As you all can see, now there is one more method in which I can draw a line segment and through which I can check that what is the length. So let me draw the line. Okay. So I have drawn a line on my copy. I want the whole length of the copy, so I have started from the top and ended it over here at the bottom. So now I will place my scale at the 0 end from where the length is, my line is starting. So as you can see here, the 0 length is there. And now here where my line is ending, here it is 24 centimeter. So both the measurements are same. So my calculations are correct. And if you do not have a 30 centimeter scale, you can replace the scale while marking the place. Thank you.
So now here we are with the whole class who are in their video mode, like Anvesha, Anurag, I can see Surbhi, Ojal, Shaurya, Pushkar, Rishabh, Divyansh, so Samriddhi and Tejas also, who are in their video on mode. Now Rudra is also there, Rishi is also doing. So now they are all together going to show us how to measure a line segment, or you can also say that they are measuring an object which is having the edge in the form of a line segment. So students, you can continue. The recording is already on. Please perform your activity with the help of your ruler. Start, please. Very good. I am observing each one of you. Correct, Anvesha? Yes, Rudra, I can see. Yes, Tejas, I can see. Surbhi, you have not started, beta. Anurag, yes, you are doing it. Samriddhi is also doing. Shaurya is doing. Yes, Shaurya is measuring the matchstick box. Pushkar is also doing. Rishi, yes, Rishi, I am able to observe it. Very fine. Yes. Please write it down, your measurement somewhere. Okay, Ojal has done it already. Fine. Aditya is also doing right now. Rishabh is also doing. Wonderful, beta. Very, very nice. So you all are recorded in video now. Fine. Now Surbhi is also doing. She is also taking the matchstick box, I think. Eraser, I think she is taking. Yes. Yes, I got it. I got it. I have seen that. Yes, Drishya Patel has also taken the video now. Drishya Patel has also taken. Now she is also doing. Fine. Yes, Drishya, continue, beta. Anushka is also doing. Anushka, where is she gone? She's not, I am not able to see her. Now she came back. Fine. Okay. Ashima Das is also doing now. Fine, very good, very nice, beta. Pushkar has measured, I think. Okay, wonderful. Very nice. So I can see how many of you have performed. Let me see now. Anvisha is performing, Rishi is performing, Tejas, Ashima, Rudra, Surbhi, Drishya Patel, Shaurya, Pushkar, Samriddhi, Rishabh, Aditya Singh, Ojal. They were the students who have performed for this activity. Wonderful, dear kids. And Anurag also. Very nice. Krishna Yadav is also doing now.